Part 2. Here we got about maybe an hour and a half before the show is over. An hour and a half before the show is over. We got here pretty late. I was told we got here too late. We may not be able to be judged properly because we got here late. All the votes are in. So we still made the best of the day. I still gave you guys what you wanted to see. They put us up front because we were special invited, as I told you a second.
Also, we got some great t-shirts that you got one in your
I love the white interior, looks nice. There's that dead space again.
Great trophies out.
There you go. Looks like we're going to have a car.
I just got a message that we probably got over $400 in the take home. You will take home. That's about $800 right now in the 50-50 that will be drawn at 2:30 this hour. All right, it's a green ticket. This is for the cars and cards. 579066. 579066. That's the green ticket. Come on up.
Here's a nice C1 right here. Body style before mine. It appears he has a scratch that. This is a C5. They changed it to make it look like an older car. I do as well, but this is a cheat sheet. This is when you turn the newer one to the older one. It's much easier.
Yeah, a lot easier.
Much easier, yeah.
Watch your stuff.
That was Mel Carter.
Yeah.
Here's Joe Dow.
Yeah, I thought this was the other one. Ligon, was it Ligon? This is how you pronounce that name? See the license plate? That's a kit that he does. So this is one of his kits. Yeah. This is one of his builds. I met him last year. I met him. represented whether the show was at the actual dealership or the show was at an off-site location. The show is actually an off-site location, which is actually closer to my home than the dealership was. So we're en route there now. We will still attend the show, but we may not be able to register, so we will see once we get here. Have a good one. Leave another long day. Don't mind the junk in the back. Leave another long day of another show. We got here late, but we got enough verbal accolades that we would have been the best to show if we got here in time. But it's not always about winning. Psych. Yes, it is. Hey, we got here late, but I'm glad I was able to get the Corvette out for one last potential show. So, I'll follow up. We gotta edit this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell so that you can receive all the videos as they are published. Alright, Jaded World, thank you for spending the day with Jaded Brand, and we will catch you next time. Maybe sooner than later if I got some boxes to open when I get home. Alright, thank you for watching. When one chapter closes, the next chapter turns. Was this the last drive? We'll just have to see.